Join me live on the Avenue on the 9th of October, 6 p.m. London time. I'm going to be teaching you how to make 3 different cocktails and how to add a little bit of flair to make sure they taste great every single time. I'm also raising money for the Echo Moyo Education Centre, which is in Kenya, and they're building a free school for kids in the area to be able to get educated. During the live stream, to be able to donate to the charity, you're able to leave tips. There's going to be 2 tip jars, one for the Education Centre and one for myself to help me fund the next live stream where I can teach you even more stuff. The top tipper of the day is going to win a prize. That is a 10-piece professional bartending kit. There's also going to be a prize for the top 3 cocktails, which will be decided once the live stream is finished. So join me 9th of October, 6 p.m. London time, where I'm going to teach you how to make these 2 cocktails, plus my take on the mojito, plus I'm going to teach you a whole bunch of those flair moves as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. Even if you don't want to get involved with playing along, you can sit down with your popcorn, watch and enjoy the show. If you want to find out more information, go to my website, www.tomdyerbartender.com, where you can find more information, more links, how you can sign up to the Avenue as well, and get involved with this glorious event. So I hope to see you there. Now I'm going to go and drink the best apple martini in the world, which you can learn how to make on that live stream.